The experimental setup for this lesson is very similar to what we used a few lessons ago when we looked at photosynthesis. Except now we want to see what happens to spinach leaves in the dark. So we're not using our hydroponic grow light at all. To get started, you'll want to arrange your spinach leaves on a piece of aluminum foil or cardboard that you can easily and quickly slide into the bag when the time is right. To get a rapid change in carbon dioxide and water levels, we want to minimize the exposure of these leaves to light. So that's why I have them sitting under a cardboard box. As we did a few lessons ago, we're going to use a 1 gallon plastic storage bag. We're going to place the detector in it and seal it. Here I've just sealed it using the Ziploc. And we're going to let that stabilize for about 5 minutes so that we can get an average reading for just the air in there without our leaves present. After that's stabilized, we'll be ready to add our leaves in. And so we're going to quickly open the bag, take the leaves out of the box, and shove them in the bag. So here's my leaves. Open my bag. Put my leaves into the bag. Reseal the bag. And we want to keep this in the dark. So a good way to do that is to use aluminum foil to cover the system. And you really kind of want to mold it around there, being careful not to crush your leaves and not to let stray light in. And so I'm going to put some on the sides here. I'm leaving a little window so that we'll be able to read the detector. You can also turn off the ambient lighting. Minimizing all stray light is gonna be your friend here. And so what you're aiming for is to see a 50 ppm increase in CO2 within 5 minutes.